Dear students, so I'm going to explain bits in refraction of light at plane surfaces lesson. The refraction of light at plane surface లో important bits ని డిస్కస్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. The process of changing speed when light travels from one medium to another medium is called. The process of changing speed when light travels from one medium to another medium is called. So what is the correct answer? D. D means refraction. The process of changing speed when light travels from one medium to another medium is called refraction. The speed of light of a medium depends upon gas of the medium. Optical density. Speed of light of a medium depends upon optical density of the medium. Absolute refractive index N is equal to C by V. So what is C? C is the velocity of light in vacuum. V is the velocity of light in given medium. Absolute refractive index N is equal to C by V. Relative refractive index N21 can be written as N2 by N1. N21 is equal to N2 by N1. N2 means refractive index of the second medium. N1 means refractive index of the first medium. N21 means refractive index of the second medium with respect to first medium. Fifth bit, virtual images of distant high objects cause the optical illusion called mirage. Virtual images of distant high objects like sky or trees, etc. cause the optical illusion called mirage. The critical angle of diamond is 24.4 degrees. The critical of diamond is 24.4 degrees. Seventh bit, 1 micrometer equals to dash. 1 micrometer equals to 10 power minus 6 meter. So micro means 10 power minus 6. Micrometer is equal to 10 power minus 6 meter. Eighth bit, the angle of refraction for critical angle is 90 degrees. So the angle of refraction for critical angle is 90 degrees. Ninth one, the number of telephone signals transmitted through optical fiber is 2000. The number of telephone signals transmitted through optical fiber is 2000. 10th bit, the relation between refractive index and optical density directly proportional. So refractive index is directly proportional to optical density. 11th bit, if refractive index of a medium increases, the speed of light in that medium decreases. If refractive index of the medium increases, the speed of light in that medium decreases because N is proportional to 1 by V. Refractive index is inversely proportional to speed of the light in the given medium. 12th bit, the factor on which refractive index does not depend, density of material. 13th bit, the unit of refractive index is, it has no units because refractive index N is equal to C by V. So velocity of light in vacuum by velocity of light in the given medium. So both are the same quantities, their units get cancelled. So refractive index has no units. 14, if angle of incidence is greater than critical angle, then dash takes place. If angle of incidence is greater than the critical angle, then total internal reflection takes place. Patient's stomach can be viewed by inserting dash pipe, light pipe. Patient's stomach can be viewed by inserting light pipe. In a glass slab, refraction takes place dash times, 2 times. So in a glass slab, refraction takes place 2 times. 17th bit, the distance between incident and emergent ray is called lateral shift. The distance between incident ray and emergent ray is called lateral shift. 18th bit, mirage is an optical illusion. 19th bit, the brilliance of diamond is due to total internal reflection. 20th bit, angle of incidence dash to angle of refraction. They are not equal. Angle of incidence is not equal to angle of refraction. 21. The deviation of light ray from its original path when it travels from one medium to another medium is called refraction. 22nd. N1 sin I is equal to N2 sin R is called dash law. So it is called Snell's law. 23rd. When the light ray travels from denser medium to rarer medium, the refracted ray dash from normal or bends away from normal. 24. Which of the following is the value of sin C? If C be the critical angle, then R becomes 90 degrees. N2 by N1. Which of the following is the value of sin C? Sin C is equal to N2 by N1. So C is the critical angle and R becomes angle of refraction becomes 90 degrees. 25. Which of the following is the reason for the formation of mirage? Total internal reflection. 26. When the light ray travels from rarer medium to denser medium, refracted ray dash to the normal, moves toward the normal. When the light ray travels from rarer medium to denser medium, refracted ray bending towards or moves toward the normal. 27. Which of the following is the basic principle behind working of optical fiber? Answer is total internal reflection. 28. If a light ray incident on a glass slab making certain angle with normal, it gets refracted and comes out as emergent ray. Then the incident ray is dashed to the emergent ray parallel. Incident ray and emergent ray are parallel to each other. 29. The light follows which law during refraction? Snell's law. Snell's law. 30. Which of the following is the result of change in speed of light at the interface? Refraction. Which of the following is the result of change in speed of light at the interface? Refraction. 31. When angle of incidence equal to critical angle of refraction equals to 90 degrees. 32. Which of the following is the example for total internal reflection? So mirage, brilliance of diamond, optical fiber. So answer is all of the above. So all of above. 33. Dash is used to examine the inner parts of nose, stomach by doctors. Endoscope. 34. Mirages are virtual images of sky. Mirages are virtual images of sky. 35. Shortest distance between incident and emergent ray is dash of the glass slab. That is called lateral shift. 36. Na, refractive index of the metal A is 1.08. Nb, refractive index of the metal B is equal to 1.008. Nc, refractive index of the material C is 2.4. Nd, refractive index of the material D is 2.15. So which of the following is true? Speed of light is minimum in medium C. Speed of light is minimum in medium C. Why? So refractive index is more. So refractive index and speed of the light are inversely proportional to each other. So if refractive index is more, the speed of light is minimum. So option A, speed of light is minimum in medium C. 37. Refractive index of medium does not depend on frequency of incident light. 38. Mirages are example for total internal reflection. 39. Refractive index of water is 1.33. 40. Optical fibers works on total internal reflection. 41. Reasons for twinkling of stars in the sky is distance, different densities in air, refraction of light from stars. All of these. The answer is all of these. 42. The refracted ray moves toward the normal. So the light ray is propagating from dash to dash. So rarer to denser medium. The refracted ray moves toward the normal. So the light ray propagating from rarer to denser. The net deviation produced by a rectangular glass slab is 0 always. So the net deviation produced by a rectangular glass slab is 0. 44. The basic cause of refraction is the change in the speed of light is going from one medium to another medium. Option C is correct. 45. Refract index of a medium is √2, then its critical angle is dash 45 degrees. So n is equal to 1 by sin C, sin C is equal to 1 by n, sin C is equal to 1 by √2. So 1 by √2 equal to sin 45, sin and get cancelled. So C is equal to 45 degrees. 46. Twinkling of stars is due to atmospheric refraction. 47. Which one of the following characteristics of light is not altered by refraction? Frequency. 48. The absolute refractive index of water and glass respectively are 4 by 3 and 3 by 2. Then the relative refractive index of glass with respect to water is 9 by 8. 49. The refractive index of medium 1 relative to medium 2 is 4 by 3. Then the refractive index of medium 2 relative to medium 1 is 3 by 4. 50. The angle of deviation produced by the glass slab is 0 degrees. 51. Refractive index of glass is 3 by 2. Then the speed of light in glass is 2 into 10 power 8 meter per second. 52. A ray of light traveling in denser medium meets the surface of a rarer medium while entering the second medium at the point of incidence. It bends away from normal. 53. A ray of light traveling in a rarer medium meets the surface of another denser medium while entering the second medium at the point of incidence. It bends toward the normal. So light ray traveling from rarer to denser medium, so bending toward the normal line. 54. A ray of light traveling in a medium falls normally on the surface of another medium while entering the second medium, goes straight into the second medium without bending. So when the light ray incident on normally to the surface of the medium, so it does not deviate. 55. A ray of light incident on the parallel faces of a rectangular glass slab. It emerges out of the opposite parallel face, making angle of emergence equal to angle of incidence. 56. The SI unit of a refractive index. It has no units. Refractive index is the ratio of same quantities. It has no units. 57. A ray of light incident on one of the parallel faces of rectangular glass slab emerges out of the opposite parallel face parallel to the incident ray but laterally displaced. So it is parallel to the incident ray but laterally displaced. 58. The lateral displacement of incident ray passing out of a rectangular glass slab for the same angle of incidence is directly proportional to the thickness of glass slab. 59. Image formed in a photographic camera is real and diminished. 60. A beam of parallel rays after falling obliquely on a plane refracting surface, so remains parallel but gets deviated. 61. A ray of light traveling through air falls on the surface of a glass slab and emerges out of it parallel to the incident ray. The angle of incidence I, angle of refraction in glass is R, and the angle of emergence is E. The refractive index of glass is given by the ratio sin I by sin R. 62. A ray of light on passing from one medium to another medium deviates from its original path in the first medium. This phenomenon is termed as refraction. 63. The refractive index of a medium is greater than 1. The velocity of light in that medium is less than velocity of in vacuum. 64. Which of the following statements is correct while performing an experiment with the glass slab? So pins need to be fixed by looking at point ends of the pins already fixed. Option B correct. Pins need to be fixed by looking at point ends of the pins already fixed. 65. Which of the following is the reason for the twinkling of stars? Random refraction or atmospheric refraction. 66. In the case of normal incidents, so which is correct? So C is correct. Means angle A is equal to 0, angle R is equal to 0, angle D is equal to 0. V1 is equal to V2. So when the light ray traveling from one medium to another medium incident on the normally, so it does not deviated. Angle of incident 0, angle of refraction 0, angle of deviation also 0. But in this case, the speed of the light in both mediums are equal. So option C is correct. 67. 1. Light changes its direction when it is refracted. Second point. Light changes its speed when it travels in different mediums. Which is correct? C. 1 and 2 are correct, but second is the correct reason for 1. 68. Mr. A is going on a road at 12 noon. He saw a mirage on the road. Imagine why it happens. Due to total internal reflection.
Please do like, share this video and subscribe to our channel.